Today we're having a look at how to check your PowerSchool grades and comments as a student or as a parent from either a laptop or a mobile device. Launch an internet browser and go to kas.powerschool.com/public. Put your username and password. Once you're logged in, make sure to go to grades and attendance. And if you are a parent, you will see your kids here. If you have more than one kid, you will see their names here. If you are a student, you will not see that menu at all. To see a grade or a comment for a particular assignment in the course, first find the course name in the list here. Then click on the I icon under either semester 1 or semester 2, depending on the time of the year. Right now, when I'm recording this tutorial, we are in semester 1, so I will click on semester 1 next to English 6. If we were in semester 2, then I will click on I under semester 2 and disregard all other I's. So I'm going to click on semester 1 I next to English 6. Right here, under the assignments, I will see all the assignments that I have completed so far. If assignment has this little icon here, that means that assignment has been graded and there are marks. So you will see the standards here and the corresponding mark or grade here. So for the approaching, EM stands for emerging, and so forth. If a teacher left a comment, you can click on view. The comment will appear under the score comment. If there's no comment, then this tab will not be there. First thing, you will need a PowerSchool app that you can get from your App Store or Google Play Market. App's name is PowerSchool Mobile, and this is what it looks like. If this is the first time you're launching the app, PowerSchool will ask you for the KAS district code, that is GWLM. Let's click Continue and put in our username and password. Once inside the app, if you are a parent and you have multiple kids who are attending KAS, you'll be able to click here and select your child. To check the score or a grade, select semester 1 or semester 2, depending on the time of the year. Right now, we are in semester 1, so this is where I will go. After that, I can go to grade 6. I can check the assignments right here, or I can go to standards, and this is where I can see how well am I doing on each particular standard, right about here. I can go back to the assignments, I can click on the assignment and see the comment here. So as you can see how comments and grades are located in slightly different places in mobile. The comments are located under the assignments, and your marks, or how well you're doing for each particular standard, is seen under the standards. Today we'll look at how to check your PowerSchool grades and comments as a parent or as a student. We hope it was helpful, and we'll see you next time.